What's up guys, welcome back. On this episode we're here at EC Offroad. We've got the LC200 and it is getting some TLC. We're getting a steering wheel, new dash and new 12-inch head unit. Oh, and we're getting like a little pad thing where you can charge your phone. Yeah, really, pretty epic. You didn't tell me that. They just threw it in. He does, let's go.
Righto guys, got Jacob and Benny here from Airbag Man in the Silver 200 series. We're putting in a few EC upgrades. I reckon they're going to love it. We've got the digital dash, the steering wheel upgrade, the 12-inch head unit and the wireless auxiliary charging panel. So I think they're going to love it. It's going to help with the trips they do. The charging ports are all awesome, wireless charging, 3-amp USB, digital dash. So I think it's going to be transform this thing into this century, I reckon.
Wow, this has literally taken you 15 minutes to dismantle.
Yeah.
You're a legend.
Yeah.
So how many cruises have you done before?
I don't know, probably in the hundreds. Done probably nearly 50 wheels and dashes and probably, just as many head units, all different ones, all of our different ones, 12s, 13s, 10s.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, I've done my way around the dash of a Land Cruiser these days, yeah.
So good, man. Love it.
Yeah, sick.
Is this a plug and play system?
Yeah, pretty much 100% plug and play, yeah.
Yeah, so good.
It all uses all the factory CAN data and everything like that. And
yeah, wow.
yeah, pretty easy. A lot of people do it at home, just order the stuff from us and
nice.
do it at home.
That's so good.
A lot of information online from us as well.
Yep.
You hear Kale's wonderful voice.
Yeah, nice.
Tell you how to do it all, and yeah.
So good.
Pretty much it, yeah. I've just got to take this lower cover off to get a cable out of here to go up to the dash. Drop a cable down here for your USBs, just for like updates and stuff like that, so we can, if you want to change little bits and bobs in the head unit, and if there's an update comes out being digital.
Yeah, sweet.
You can just access that. And
so first step of this whole install here would be to just get the dash.
Yeah, so you got to synchronize the dash to get your odometers and everything like that crossed over.
Yep.
So there's a process in that. Then once we've got the dash in there, we'll set the steering wheel up.
Yeah, nice.
Throw the steering wheel on. It's just easier if you're doing the steering wheel and the dash at the same time. It's just, you don't have to deal with the wheel in the way.
Yeah.
And then the head unit's pretty much standalone by itself, so we'll just do all that kind of stuff there.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Loving it.
Yeah.
Just having a sticky beak through the EC Offroad workshop. They've got plenty of rigs in this joint. 200s everywhere. They've got Rams, Land Cruiser 79s. There's a couple of Rams out the back. Yeah, look at this one. 200, another 200. So they do pretty much any accessory install. They do full vehicle builds. They do the Airbag Man suspension range. They've got everything here. They do a class job too. What do you reckon, Benny?
Airbag Man everywhere.
That's it. 100% supporters love it. Wireless key fob.
All of that bum.
So good. Yeah, there's a couple of Rams just in the car park there, getting the full treatment. And today we are getting a head unit installed into the 200 series and getting the dash redone and an epic steering wheel with suede on it. So I'm pumped for that. 200's getting a bit of TLC from the EC Offroad crew. Let's go check out their little showroom too. So you can actually come here and check it out. A little walk inside. They do the full sound systems. So good. Wheels. And here's all the head units. I think we are getting this one here. Yeah, that looks like, yeah, there you go. 12-inch LC200 head unit. So look at the size of it, like that's my hand. So 12 inches of goodness. What else are we getting, Benny? Yeah, this one here, look at that. So this is the dash behind the wheel. That's going to be insane. Look at that. How good's that? Awesome bit of kit.
There you go.
Yeah, look at this.
Doesn't work.
That's mint. So they actually install these drink units as well into the backs of your 200 series. You going to put that in there, or? Yeah, so you can actually get people pull up to your campsite, chuck $1 in, and they get a nice cold drink. It's pretty epic. Oh, you got some Yatla pies in there, do you?
No Yatla pies.
What? No
We've got
way.
a wireless charger here.
Hey, Kale. Yeah, boy.
Good mate.
And, check out the wireless charger there.
So what's happening here?
We just so you got to take off the lower panel of the factory head unit, but
Yep.
we also do a little sneaky upgrade for that too.
Yeah, nice.
If you're lucky enough to own a GXL, you can get a wireless charger, USBs,
Yeah, sick.
all that kind of stuff. So
Ours is a 300 series though, isn't it?
yeah,
That's a 300 series?
yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah,
Same thing.
yeah, I thought so.
-1.
So
Oh, look at that. Wow. That's epic.
it's pretty sick.
Love
Know
it.
yourself.
He's offering pies.
Really?
Pies, mate. We're in Yatla. You gotta have the Yatla pie.
Are we in Yella? Oh, I thought we were in bloody Logan.
Nah, almost. This is the new Logan.
Yeah, nice. Oh, you actually getting pies?
Yeah. You
Oh,
want a pie?
sweet, yeah.
Go for a run?
They do vegan pies or?
Yeah.
I'm joking.
That's the chips.
Yeah, nice. Oh, yes, boy. Alright, I'll have a pie, whatever you reckon's the best.
Yeah. Pepper steak, mate.
Oh, yep. Alright.
No royalties come to me either. It's all just from the heart.
Yeah, nice. I love it. Love ya.
Right.
What do you reckon, Ains?
It's fancy. Like, this is the future right here. This is spaceship technology, I reckon.
So out of the head unit, the dash mod and the steering wheel, which is your favourite? It's a hard one, but
I think the wheel.
yeah,
The wheel's sick.
it is good,
So
isn't
you
it?
can, there's heaps of options. You can do anything you want. Like Kale had carbon fibre. You've got
Yeah, true.
all the suede and everything. So
Yeah, nice. So when you do the order process, like you can sort of get the customer to select what he wants and then...
pretty. Yeah, I think so. I don't know.
Yeah.
I just get given the box. This one's going in this car. I'm like, okay.
You're a legend.
I think so. I think you can jump on the website and see the different wheels and stuff like that, so you can
Yeah.
sort of pick one. Some of them are a bit more expensive.
Yeah, you had a fair few different wheel
Really?
options on there, which was great. Love it. What do you got in here?
It's not blocked for long. We're going bigger, all right? Bigger poster from the pond.
So what do you got? This is your local, eh?
Everyone knows the Yatla Pie Shop, mate.
Yeah. I've never heard of it, eh? Holy cool, it smells good. What's Ainsley got? We'll get Ainsley bacon and cheese. Bacon and cheese.
Hip hop pepper.
I thought unused plastics was banned.
No, they're bamboo. Bamboo.
Yes. Bamboozled. This looks great, eh? Look at that. Piss the plastic fork off. Oh, get your thumb out of it, you grub. Oh.
Yummy. Okay, just finished up here in the Airbag Man 200 series. They've just installed the 12-inch head unit, dash, and our suede steering wheel. Benefits of this, it's completely customizable, heaps more options of what you can do. You can have your Spotify on here, you can monitor what your car's doing with the via the OBD. With your dash, you can see what's going on, where your power's going, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, these boys will definitely benefit from all this stuff out on the tracks.
Alright, Brownie has just texted me saying, is the setup looking good? So I'm just about to text him back to come on down and check it out, because he's gonna love it. Come down to car park. No worries, man. Have a squeeze.
Good.
Bloody hell. Turn her on. Get in and turn her on. Keys are in. How does that feel, the suede steering wheel? Nice, eh?
That comes up nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, dude, it's so
and you can
good.
change it. You can change it to how you want it. Click across on there. Other way. If you want it like that, or
Epic
go
game.
again.
Apple CarPlay works a dream as well. Yeah,
Fucking-
boy.
Who's into Tracy Chapman?
Me.
Yeah.
You like that? There we go, guys. That's a wrap for this episode. Brownie absolutely loved the new installment to the 200. He's gonna love that whole setup.
I think we liked it as well.
Yeah, we might have to,
Let's be honest.
drive the 200 a bit longer. How's that sun? The squinter. Anyway, stay tuned for the next episode, and a big shout out to EC Offroad, because they are absolute legends and they really hooked us up there.
Thanks, boys.
Love the setup.